Alright, so this is my bike. Got Haro stock front wheel, an Eastern 9-tooth 14mm, whatever you want to call it, back wheel, piece of crap Walmart chain, Haro stock pedals and crank set, and a 25-tooth sprocket. Some wheels, street wheels, I don't know, wheels that came with it, a crap now. Got demolition plastic pegs with aluminum inside, whatever you want to call it. Plastic on the outside, aluminum on the inside. There you go. Light pegs, really strong. Got an Eastern hub guard, ghetto duct tape seat, because I wanted a silver seat and they don't sell silver seats. A Fit, I think it is, frame that I got off my cousin. A something upload, top load, upload, whatever you want to call it. Stem, some kind of headset, just replaced it, yeah. My favorite handlebars I've had for a while, got to replace them. Bent that bar a couple days ago. Some really good grips, I don't know what kind, but they're nice and grippy. Got some Fit bar ends, got to replace those too, those are getting torn to crap. But yeah, it's my bike. $800 bike, pretty ghetto, because I spray painted it a couple times. But yeah, it's in good condition. These are the old wheels. Very flat and tore up. So there you go. My bike.